You're hungry, your wife is hungry, and your kids want pizza. Delivery's gonna take too long, and you don't want anything frozen. What you want is something fun, fast, and fresh. Good thing we've got you covered. Say hello to the QubeStove, a portable outdoor pizza oven and stove all in one. With the QubeStove, you can create amazing pizzas ready for the table in just 90 seconds. And this ain't just any pizza either. We're talking authentic wood-fired pizza. And just 3 pounds of wood pellets is enough to fuel the QubeStove for over an hour. Now that's hot. How hot, you ask? Up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes.
Yo, that's pretty hot. What if I burn it?
Forget about it. What makes the QubeStove so special is the rotating pizza stone. The rotation helps get that perfect crisp on your pizza without burning the crust. The rotating stone ain't just good for pizza either. Rotate chicken, steak, bread, and even veggies. Look at that perfect roast. And when it's all said and done, the QubeStove is so easy to disassemble that even he can do it.
Don't worry, Pops, I can handle the rest.
It's durable, lightweight, and can be stored easily. Because of this, QubeStove is also incredibly portable. With its hassle-free assembly, you can enjoy a family meal wherever you go.
Yo, I'm having so much fun, I don't even need this.
Listen, QubeStove isn't just an amazing pizza oven. It's versatile. With QubeStove, the oven is detachable, allowing it to be used as a bonfire, creating a place to gather with friends and family alike.
These kebabs are so good.
Whether it's cooking pizzas in the backyard or roasting marshmallows on a campfire, QubeStove can adapt to any occasion.
Hey, you hungry?
I thought they'd never ask. Back us now and start creating authentic wood-fired pizzas in the comfort of your own backyard.